When asked about whether or not they've set up an estate plan, many people will say that they can't because it costs too much. In fact, most Americans don't have a will. Oftentimes, the perceived unpleasantness, price, and time commitment required for an estate plan will deter people from even wanting to talk to an attorney. But how much does estate planning really cost?
Depending on your location and the complexity of your financial and family circumstances, a lawyer might ask for anything up to several $1,000s for estate planning documents, including a will. Estate planning attorneys won't all charge their clients the same amount or the same way. Many lawyers will charge you a flat fee for writing a will and providing other estate planning documents. A price of $1,000 for a simple attorney-drafted will is not uncommon, but you may also be looking at $200. Other estate planning attorneys will bill their clients hourly. This rate will, of course, mainly depend on the professional's training and experience and your location. Small-town lawyers may charge as low as $150 per hour, while most lawyers in a city wouldn't go under $200. Lawyers working for big firms usually charge more than small firms or sole practitioners, unless the small firm specializes in advanced tax matters and estate planning. A lawyer who specializes in estate planning will usually cost more. Though some may find the process uncomfortable, you can't put it off. Excuses about waiting until you're less busy or until you get sick won't do you any favors. When you don't have a will, the legal system in your state will handle the process for you. The issue here is that a judge will be making the choices that should be made by you, and the assets you'd prefer to go to a loved one will be spent on court costs or taxes. Odds are, you will need more than just a will, and your lawyer will advise you to have additional documents made. Your will is just a single element of your entire estate plan. This will be your heir's guide for handling you or your possessions when you pass on or become gravely incapacitated. Creating an estate plan is often one flat fee to prepare all of the necessary documents. While every situation is different and no final numbers can be decided without agreement, plans most commonly cost between $1,000 and $5,000. The estate planning process usually only requires 2 or 3 meetings with the lawyer. Once it's done, you will have a plan for the next few decades. Even when no major changes strike, you should review your plan every 2 years or so, working with a professional who can help you modify it as needed. Keeping your estate plan updated will ensure that everything goes where it's meant to go when the time comes. Call our estate team at 480-660-3938 to discuss your case today.